Yo, Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones coming back at y'all with another how to cop video for your head top. I am back. Durag Snipe is back in the building, and yes, I am even doing a how to cop on the off-white forest. Now, I was gonna stay away from this, so I took me some time, and I was like this close to not doing it. I'm on my way to the gym, right? I'm about to head out, and I'm like, yo, look, why not drop this how to cop video? Because so many people have been asking me how to cop this. And y'all even been asking me that cook group that I promote or the cook group I try to put y'all on to. Y'all ask, will there be slots available for the off-white forward? Now, like I said, I wasn't gonna do it until I literally just looked on my phone and I seen that Nike sneakers just did like an early draw or like an early pickup for women. I believe it was like a ladies only type thing. So I'm guessing like on your sneakers app, if you in the gender section put you're a woman, then you got early access depending on how lucky you were. But no men got it, I think, at least. If you got it and you're a man, then let me know below. But I think it was only like women that got it through the sneakers app. However, shout out and good luck to everybody that wants these or wants to cop these. And even shout out to everybody who hit these early. Since I'm a man and I answered I'm a man, I did not get the early access. But we're gonna break it down, man. We're gonna break down how to cop this. Now, unlike a lot of my other videos, when I break down how to cop this, it still might not be what you want to hear, but it's an off-white, okay? This is not like a general release that some people might sleep on. Everybody wants off-white. Everybody wants Travis Scott. These type of sneakers, some people just expect to take L's on. So, I mean, good luck to everybody still, but I will inform you the best I possibly can. Now, the rumor has it, there will be 22,000 pairs available. That's nowhere near live. I don't know if that's true. I don't know if that's false. I don't know where the number comes from, but that's the number that I have. Through the cook group, through other people I trust, I heard 22,000 pairs. And I heard that 3,000 pairs will be released like elsewhere or something like that. And like, maybe it's 3,000 released on sneakers, or maybe the rest will be released on sneakers and 3,000 elsewhere. But however, 22,000 pairs, so that's not a lot at all. Just to give you like a guideline, when like a Jordan comes out, like an infrared 6, they probably got like 500,000 pair, maybe even more than that. Like when the Jordan 11s came out last December, which was those like the Space Jams, I believe the Space Jams were like 1 million. It was 1 million pair of Space Jams or 1 million pair of Concords. So you go from 1 million to 22,000, which is a easy, significant difference. It don't take rocket science, or you don't need a calculator to understand we talking about a lot of pairs not gonna be there. So once again, this is why I tell you guys about the cook group that I'm in, Cook Essentials, because while everybody is trying to manually cop 22,000 pair of shoes, it is gonna be a long day in hell if y'all think that. I mean, look, I love sneakers app. I was lucky enough to hit on pairs multiple times, but I just believe that I need more to hold on to than just a long shot in the sneakers app, okay? That's just me. I need to have some type of concrete chance of winning a pair other than sneakers app, because it's a raffle at the end of the day. So Cook Group Essentials are doing slots right now for the Air Jordan 4 Off-White. And if you're in the Cook Group, then you will have free slots, okay? You do have an opportunity to win. And a lot of people don't understand, like, what do you want to call it? Cook group terms. I'm still learning it myself. So a slot is nothing more than you telling the people who work the bots your name, your size, your address, all your account information as far as like your credit card or your debit card, however you want to pay for it. And when you get a bot that information, obviously it'll do the bot things that the bot does and try to get your size and pay for it. And of course you'll get either email confirmation and you'll see it. Now it does work. Like y'all know the Yeezy Zions came out last weekend or this weekend, however you want it, last weekend. I hit for multiple pairs in the cook group. They have not came in yet because shipping is terrible during the pandemic, so I haven't been able to unbox that or do it on foot or none of that stuff, but it did work for me. So I'm living proof. Your boy Snipe living proof it does work. Now, if anybody is interested in joining the cook group, they have over 100 channels. They're growing rapidly every single day. They have different types of links on the channel, whether it's like backdoor, for example. If you wanted these off-white Jordan 4s early, you could have got them early if you were in the cook group, because they have something called backdoor where you get like shoes early. Before they even come out. You do have to pay a higher price, obviously, you know what I'm saying, because it's unreleased sneakers, but you do have that option. They also have restocks, links to restocks. Like before the restock is even announced, they got a lot of links taking you directly to the website, directly to the page, so you don't have to look around, do the extra stuff. You can also learn how to buy, sell, and trade inside of there. You can buy in there, you can sell in there, and it's a great way for you to get your bread up if you want to be a reseller, or if you want to be a part of the sneaker community. It's just a great way to start enrolling yourself in knowing how to do some of this stuff, okay? And it's not even just sneakers. They got links to Supreme, they got links to Kith, they got links to just about all the hype stuff, and all the stuff that you guys want to be a part of is there. And it's very limited, so you have to make sure that you use my discount code down below, Snipes5, to save you $5. But more importantly, you have to use my link to sign up, because if you don't, can't get in. So I'm trying to look out for y'all one time for the one time. You know what I'm saying? This is probably gonna be my best shot at getting them. Now I'm gonna tell y'all the rest, which is like sneakers app. I don't even know if boutiques and local stores are getting them. Check your local stores, check your boutiques, because I can't tell you right off the rip if they're gonna get them or not. I haven't even checked mine, bro. Usually what I do is I don't even call them, because boutiques, let me tell y'all something, bro. Boutiques is so finesse. It's like boutiques and skate shops, whenever it comes down to stuff like this, I really don't even like wasting their time. I won't pick up my phone. I won't call them. I won't bother them. If they post on Instagram, we have these, I'll just follow the rules. I'll, set up the account or log on online or go down there for the raffle, whatever I have to do. But it's to the point now where I don't even call these shops because it's so finesse. We all know. We all live in one of those cities or know one of those cities with that one store that gets everything but somehow never has it. Like, bro, how do you get everything but never have it when it's time to... We all know the deal, but that's not the point. The point is, that is a way if they're getting them. Like I said, tier 0 stores usually get Off-White. They usually get, Yeezy. They usually get Human Race. Those are all those things those tier 0 stores have an advantage of other boutique shops in the area that they can have those shoes. And it's to the point where like BTS, SNS, they're not even hosting raffles for this shoe, which also allows me to know that it is very, very, how do you want to say, it's gonna be limited, because the usual way, I think Extra Butter did do a raffle for these, or they are doing a raffle. You might want to check Extra Butter for that. I'm not sure if that raffle is over with or if it haven't started. I'm not sure. One of the two. But I do know Extra Butter is doing something over there as well. Now, for my people who want to know how much these going for, because I know a lot of people are interested in the sneaker market these days because it's money. And if y'all making money off of it, who am I to impose, right? But I do want to go over some of these Off-White 4 resale numbers, just to give y'all an idea on, what you can be getting if you can potentially grab a pair. So as of right now, the prices are high because it's still unreleased, but I do believe that this shoe will stay up there high. It might drop down like as soon as this shoe drops, but from the numbers I'm hearing, like from 22,000 to 25,000, I don't see no reason why they should like just plummet under what I'm telling you guys that much further. So as you see on the screen right here, different sizes, different numbers, but the bigger the size, the bigger the number. And the real reason because of that is because usually we all know the smaller the size, the bigger the number. But obviously, since it's the woman's exclusive, it's actually rarer for you to get a bigger size and a smaller size. It's the opposite, right? So if a pair of Jordan 11s come out, it's hard to get a small size. Bigger size is easier. It's the reverse. This is a woman's shoe, so there's gonna be a lot of pairs of women's sizes. But then when you get to like the big pair, like a 13.5 or 14.5, I wear a size like 12 in men, so that would be like a 13.5 in women. It's going for $2,500, right? It's a huge shoe. So it retails $200. So bro, you making profit anywhere from $1,200 to $1,500 based off of what shoe you have, which is crazy. And from those numbers and those numbers alone, you can already imagine how many people will be looking forward to this release and how many people will not stop until they get their hands on this. Now, I know I am a little late because we have 5 days, so I'm not super late. Or actually 4 days. These release on the 25th. When is the 25th? What is that? Saturday. These will be releasing on Saturday, and you got 4 days. So hopefully you watching this video, you check out the Cook group. Good luck if you want to hit on Sneakers app, and shout out to everybody who won on exclusive access. I know I got some women that follow me on this channel, so if you did hit, then comment down below, let me know. Also guys, make sure you smash up the like button, because I'm trying to help y'all get these W's. You know what I'm saying? It's just different time, different era. We got to go about it different ways. You know what I'm saying? It's no longer are the days where you can just walk into stores and buy shoes. It's tough out here. It's getting tough. Off-White 4s, I think they cool too. Like, I don't think they like OD crazy, You know what I'm saying? I think they could have did something better. We got this all sale colorway, you know, this very basic, very flat colorway. But sometimes, you know what I'm saying, the very basic is the way to go. Sometimes the minimal way is the best way to go. So no complaints from me. Thank you guys for tuning in once again, man. Make sure you check out the Cook group down below. Good luck to everybody who want to get your hands on these Air Jordan 4 Off-Whites. And until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.